great honor to introduce to you today Sowore, the last man standing. The brain behind MNK October 20. The brain behind free Nnamdi Kanu. He's a very courageous man, very courageous, very gutsy. Yes, he's a man of strength and conviction. Yes, and he's someone that is well known here to everybody and is a friend of all. Yes. Like Nnamdi Kanu, he stands for the downtrodden.
Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 holy. Is another savior.
Sowore stands for justice. Yes. He stands strong in defense of the downtrodden. As far as we are concerned, right now, Nnamdi Kanu is a downtrodden. Because he's being detained illegally, he's being persecuted in a very questionable way, and at this juncture, having said all that, I'm going to hand over the microphone to the man of the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please, Mazin Iche Igwe Sowore Obi.
Once again, I want to thank all of you for the great reception. My name is Mazi Omoyele Sowore. I'm still looking for the Igbo title that I will take. Okay. Yes. Our job here today is very simple. We have tolerated the detention of Nnamdi Kanu for too long. We are not going to stand. Please. We are not going to stand by while one of us is put down perpetually by a system that encourages other people to do even criminal things and award them immediately. We are all aware that yesterday, 3 days ago, they were pardoning murderers in this country. Yes. They were pardoning the most notorious kidnapper. Yes. One of the most notorious kidnappers in Nigeria was pardoned day before yesterday. A woman who killed her husband, who was pardoned. Over 53 drug lords who are serving life in detention were pardoned. Or their sentences reduced. Let me make it very clear. We are not asking for pardon for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes! Because he has not committed I want to be very clear about that. That the conversation, the context of our conversation has nothing to do with pardon. No! We are asking the Nigerian government led by Tinubu to do the right thing. Yes! By granting Nnamdi Kanu total unconditional freedom. Not a single condition can be attached to it. It does not include even providing a surety anymore. Yes. It does not include visiting police station every Monday. It does not include come back and answer some other charges anymore. The reason I'm doing this is not politics. No. Thank you, my brother. You guys know that. God bless you. If I want to do politics, I want to join one of the bad parties. I am doing this because my conscience tells me it's the right thing to do. God bless you. And I have decided whatever it will take that on October 20th, I will lead all of you to Aso Rock Village. here in this market today, but we are calling on all markets across Nigeria and the world of people of conscience to close down for market. It's not too much to ask for. Whether you are in Lagos,
1 week in closer.
We have been closing markets every Monday anyway. Yes. We need one more Monday. Yes. It's not about closing down the market, it's about bringing Nnamdi back home. Yes. And we are not doing this because we are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. We are doing it because we are the good people of the world, not even Nigeria. Yes. And this is what is done world over. In my books, I have said it, Nnamdi Kanu is the Mandela of his own people. You can keep him in detention for as long as you want, but you can never destroy the spirit of what he stands for, which is the liberation of his own people. Yes. I stand for the same thing, the liberation of humanity. Yes. And I get, as you guys know, I get into prison every day. But I told them that there's no prison that can contain us. Even as I'm speaking now, I can guarantee you that even before the 20th, they can arrest me. Yes. Nobody will. Don't worry. You are wasting your time. Because if you arrest me and put me in any court, I will leave even those people who are in detention together to ask On that day, on that 20th, every jail was open in this country. All the innocent persons who have been suffering in this detention for just reasons. Because we don't only know Nnamdi Kanu, there are a lot of Igbos. Because it's a crime to be Igbo in this country. I don't like it. In a place they call Wawa Barracks, they have kept people there. Hundreds of Igbos. For just, if your neighbor accuses you of being ipob, they will carry you and go and deposit you so you can never be found. They don't even ask whether you are a member or not. But how is it even a crime to be a member of an organization that is seeking liberation for themselves? It's only Nigeria and some banana republics that you get that.
Thank you.
So, as we are here, the world is listening to us.
Yes. Sorry, Nigeria.
From Madagascar.
Yes. Correct one.
That we are asking for Nnamdi Kanu to be freed on condition or before. Because you know we are helping them now. They can solve this problem before 20. They can solve it today. But we were just doing that to help them. On or before 20th. We are bringing him home not later than 20.
Thank you, sir.
Here today is aimed at mobilizing the whole country to come out and join us in Abuja on that day. Yes. We have seen their propaganda. Yes. It is because it's NSAS. I'm the one who started NSAS. Come and hold me responsible for it. I started NSAS at the police headquarters before everybody joined it. Nnamdi Kanu responded on NSAS the day they started killing people indiscriminately. It was his own response to stop them from those, and that remains in Nigeria's history as it was. So, whichever it is, whatever it is that it will take, we don't care. And I will say just a few more things and I will leave. We have called on all the Southeastern politicians who in the daytime say that they want Nnamdi Kanu free. At night, they go and sit up free him. We have called all of them. I have tried to meet them. I've asked Soludo to come out and join us.
All of them.
This is the time to put their mouth where their leg is.
All of them.
Or put their leg where their mouth is.
All of them.
I've called on Oti, who is his home state governor. All of them have entered what they call radio silence. But we will make it happen. And after Nnamdi Kanu is free, we'll get back to other businesses. Because, as we all know, Nigeria is unfinished business. And we are here to finish the Nigerian business.
Please, I just want to give you the way they operate. How they operate is that they are going to sponsor some persons here, and the persons will start discouraging your people, telling you the reason why you should not come. Now, we have informed them. They said that we should bring a letter informing them where we are going to start, telling them the dates, telling them the place we are going to cover. So we have submitted the letter. They are aware to give us security. Now, you also know that what they normally do is, when they see that we are working towards positive way of getting Nnamdi Kanu, they will sponsor some persons, either in the social media and physically, to discourage you. Please don't allow anybody to discourage you. Now, who are from I proud. I don't want to have before. No. So when the district came, then all one living on Lagos, you have to mobilize Wadia. All one living on the child, you don't mobilize Wadia. Yes. Why we are saying this thing is this, and from the Sowore told you something. That place they call it Kaiji. If you hear that there is one of their brothers they arrested either in any part of the state in the east, the person is not dead. They take them Kaiji in Wawa in Niger State. That place is another one altogether. The worst of it is that when we go to court, file action in court, get judgments, they will not obey because Igbo. My dear brother, the time to fight it is now. Now. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Yes. Now. Yes. Is Nnamdi Kanu today? Maybe another person tomorrow. Yes. I can tell you, I can comfortably tell about 20 persons I have filed their matter. They are still there. If you go there, see how your own brothers, not in absolute, they husband and wife. Please, let us make it a reality. Thank and God bless you. Time.
Okay, it is 7 a.m. dot. Don't be late, leave on time, get there on time. I shall turn over the microphone to Sowore to conclude the address.
The venue of this protest is Aso Rock Villa. But the convergence where we gather is the Fountain Square. But because of what might be, we will still have some internal strategy to have multiple places to approach the city from. Yes, sir. But you should be around that area, around the central business district is what we call it. So at the Federal Capital Territory. I call it Federal Capital of Thieves. Yes. Yes. But 7 a.m. please. We are also asking if you have any of your brothers who want to travel to come, please provide them accommodation. No problem. I can stay with you. Or anybody needs transportation. We are also using it to call on transporters across the country. Yes. If anybody wants to come and you are sure, give them free transport to Abuja and back. We will do that. And we want to make it clear, it is a peaceful protest. But it's also their job to make it peaceful. But it's a peaceful protest. Thank you very much. Oh, please. We also will let you know that we are going to protest at that Wawa Barracks prison. Wawa Barracks prison is very close to Benji Dam in Niger State. Everywhere an innocent person is detained unlawfully, illegally, and unjustly, Because there are some detentions that they claim are legal,
Yes.
but they are unlawful.
Yes, sir.
I am not a lawyer. My lawyers know. Yes. But a detention can be legal, even lawful, but unjust.
Yes.
I am on the side of the unjust part of any form of prosecution or persecution.
We'll be leaving now because they are waiting us at Kudo Furniture. Okay, so we want to go there and address them as well.